Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to upgrade to YouTube TV and enjoy more channels, you've come to the right place. Follow this step-by-step guide to enhance your streaming experience. Step 1. Check your current YouTube TV subscription. Before you upgrade, ensure you are familiar with your current subscription details. Log into your YouTube TV account by visiting tv.youtube.com on your device. Navigate to the Settings section to view your current plan and the channels available to you. Step 2. Explore available add-ons. YouTube TV offers various add-ons that can enhance your channel lineup. To find these options, go to the Membership tab within the Settings menu. Here, you will find information on add-ons such as premium channels, sports packages, and more. Step 3. Select your desired add-ons. Browse through the available add-ons and select the ones you wish to add to your subscription. Click on the specific add-on to view more details, including pricing and channel availability. Once you've made your selection, tap on the Add button. Step 4. Confirm your upgrade. After selecting your add-ons, you'll be prompted to confirm your choices. Review the additional charges that will be applied to your account and ensure everything is correct. Then, click on the Confirm button to finalize your upgrade. Step 5. Enjoy your new channels. Once the upgrade is confirmed, you'll have immediate access to the additional channels. Log into your YouTube TV app or website to start watching your newly added content. Enjoy your enhanced viewing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more content.